The day I don't go into the mountains. Once upon a time, there was a hunter who went into a deep mountain and was hunting. This hunter's way of hunting is different from other hunters, so first of all, he makes a watchtower on a high tree deep in the mountains and spends a night there. And the deer that comes to look for food at dawn is lured with a gun from the top of the tower by wiping the flute of the deer. One day at dawn, the hunter opened his eyes on the tower that was flying from yesterday, and he was immediately looking around carefully, wiping the flute of the deer. Immediately after that, there was a loud noise in the bush in front of me. The plants in front of me are swaying even though there is no wind. The hunter was staring at the moving plants with the gun on the side in his hand. Then, what came out of the bush was the face of a big woman as big as a kama, and her hair was lying to the ground. Bah, bah, it's a monster. The surprised hunter couldn't help but drop the gun into the grass under the tree. The woman's monster is laughing eerily with Nitanita. The hunter couldn't even stand up with his buttocks on, but fortunately, the monster didn't get any closer and didn't try to take away the dropped gun. When I laughed while staring at the hunter for a while, he disappeared into the bush. When the hunter got off from the top of the tower, he forgot about the gun and ran away. I ran, and as soon as I finally got home, I was relieved and fell down and fainted. A few days later, the hunter who regained his sanity told the neighbors who were gathered worried about the monster he met deep in the mountains. An old man who was listening to that said, "I see. But that's because you kill too much. It was good because I had a life. But if you don't want to see me like that again, I'll stop killing you." The hunter stopped being a hunter again. After this incident, the hunters' village decided to never enter the mountain on the 17th of October as the festival day of the mountain god. It is said that if you enter the mountain on this day, you will definitely meet a monster. The end.